Let's go. Let's go. Xavi dropped. Let's go. Let's react to this video real quick. Hello, if you guys don't know me, my name is Quez. You know, we react to Spanish music. And if you like my content, hit that sub button on the road to 2K. Give me to like 50 to 100 likes because you guys smashed the other video, like the Ivan video. Oh my goodness, bro. I appreciate you guys. You know, comment down. Just give me any type of comment in the video. Let's get right into the video, yo. Like, I couldn't wait. Bro, it's already 16 trending. What the heck? This video going crazy. It's going crazy. Oh yeah. Oh man. What's going on, Xavi? Why you look so sad, bro? You see your girl walk in, you look sad. What's going on, man? She walking aggressive. What's going on, man? She tripping. I'd be like, you don't want to deal with this, bro. Bro, it's like, you don't want to deal with this, yo.
Y si se va, pues que le vaya bien.
I just love it when he do that. I just love it when he does that. The little pause. Oh yeah, I just love it when he does that. I don't know why.
Y si se va, pues que le vaya bien. Porque no tengo tiempo pa' perder. Ella piensa que es la única mujer y que mancha.
Bro, don't get in Javi's face like that, bro. Bro's making a masterpiece of a video right now. You just get in his face like that. What's going on, man?
Ella piensa que es la única mujer y que manda. Y se va, pues se va. Lo que tiro no vuelvo a recoger. Será la última vez, fija, no nace ayer. Si piensas que yo estoy pa' tus mamadas, te digo en la cara y fila de que esta vez no será las peladas. Quédate con ganas de abrete de aquí. Todo se echó a perder. Me fuiste dando cuenta que tarde o temprano esto iba a suceder. Así que por favor, déjame ser.
Yeah, let Javi leave. Red carpet and everything. Oh my goodness.
Corre las fotos.
What a amazing exit.
Si ves que yo ya te olvidé, borré las fotos y los mensajes. No quiero saber nada más de ti. El corazón de piedra, qué triste que nunca te diste cuenta que yo siempre te amé. Al chile que te vaya bien.
Talk to I with another female too. Oh, you lost the hat. That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, listen, you out here tripping, yo, bro. I'll let you leave out with the red carpet out and everything. I'll let you leave with style, you know. But I'm with another female now. You know, jet ski with it. And she wearing pink. You know what I'm saying? She probably a Hello Kitty girl. You love Hello Kitty girls.
Y si se va, pues que le vaya bien.
He like, who is these females? Get jealous.
Porque no tengo tiempo
Get
pa'
jealous.
perder.
Be mad.
Ella piensa que es la única mujer y que más va. Si se va, pues se va. Lo que tiro no vuelvo a recoger. Será la última vez, fija, no nace ayer. Así que por favor, déjame ser. Si ves que yo ya te olvidé, borré las fotos y los mensajes. No quiero saber nada más de ti.
I don't care, bro. Like, I'll stick with Xavi, bro. Like, some people don't like Xavi, man, because how he sings stuff like that. But I'm not gonna lie, bro. His voice, low key, mad catchy. It's mad catchy, you know. He versatile with it too, you know. That stuff's still hard. Oh my god. That's his stuff. Talk to him, Javi. That's what I'm saying. You the come up. boom, boom. The bass go crazy. Why is it going so crazy like that? What the heck? Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that's tough. Nah, that's tough. I like this music video, bro. The music video was tough. This video was tough, yo. Oh my goodness. Nah, he's actually got bangers. Like, that's another banger right there. But that was a banger. That was a banger. Nah, that was a banger, yo. And that's the end of the video. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, yo. I appreciate you guys for all the support, yo. On the road to 2K subscribers, yo. We close. We close. We like 600 away, yo. Let's get there. You know what I'm saying? See you guys next video. Peace.